May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. Be blessed by the divine. Good morning to every one of you. We have, I think, completed three steps: physical health, mental health, and the social health. Now we are going into the fourth step out of five steps, which leads to a blissful life. What we learned in the last class for the social health, just let's recap whatever we have learned in the last class regarding the social health. I think we have learned that there will be difference of opinion among the people, even if they are brother or mother daughter or mother son, father son, whatever relationship it is, because of four different reasons: quantity, quality, time, and need. So difference of opinion will come, and there are seven differences among the people, and for which there are 16 reasons. So I can never expect that somebody should think, or somebody should speak, or somebody should behave as I think. It is impossible. So difference of opinion will come, but it should not turn into conflict, and we have to work in harmony with everyone else in the society, and that have to start from the family, which is husband and wife, and the kids, and the parents of both. Now that is a starting point within the family, and then outside the family, whether it is an office or anywhere, we have to maintain that relationship with everyone. We should not hate anybody. Why? We also learned it, and Maharishi has also given us that we can't have an independent life. We are interdependent. We are interdependent on everybody. As Maharishi used to say, in one cup of food you can see thousands of labors involvement in that. So that means the shirt what I'm wearing, and everything, it is by the society, and the society consists of all the living creatures and mainly human beings. So we should maintain harmony with them. And also Maharishi has given in English, in Tamil, the word is called Nirai Selvam. That means, crudely you can translate it as enough wealth. Actually, it is not enough wealth, or it is not too much wealth. What exactly the Tamil meaning of the word is: not too much wealth, not shortage of wealth, or the required wealth. No, that is also he didn't mean there actually, because today's condition is how much hard work you put it to earn money, similar hard work or effort is required to maintain your wealth as well. So that's today's situation, right? So Maharishi believes, no. I don't need to earn any money and save for my future. And he never followed it also. He, I think once he has, there was a plan to go to Delhi from Chennai to conduct classes. Everything is set through the letters, inland letters and all that. Everything is planned, but he doesn't have money to book the ticket until 2 days before. And the people around him in Chennai were asking, Swamiji, we don't have money to book the ticket for you. And now what to do? We already confirmed the program. Then what Maharishi normally tells, not only for that, everything, divine will provide if what we are going to do is something really good for everybody. So no need to bother about it. It will come. And just one day before, somebody came from Kumbakonam saying that, we had some classes when you were there last month, and this is some amount of savings we could make it, and this is the money we want to give the share to you. So they gave the money, and with that money, they booked the tickets, but no money for food for his travel and staying there. And he has been following the same principles even when he constructed the ashram in Alia, wherein whenever now the hall, it was maximum 200 people, 300 people could sit there, and everybody said, Swamiji, now there is no place to accommodate the people who are coming to our center, so we need bigger hall, we need bigger hostel to have rooms, everything. When they want it, the money will come. That is the word, that is the exact meaning of Nirai Selvam. Because if I have 100 crore, I will lose my peace for sure. I can't sleep peacefully. But when I need 20 lakhs tomorrow for my something, some purpose, when I get it just before when I need, I get it. Where is the problem? I don't need to preserve it. I don't need to save it. I don't need to protect it. I don't need to bother about anything. I am a free, empty hand, and whenever I need anything, it will come. That is the power of that word, Nirai Selvam, or prosperity, or enough wealth. Prosperity is not a correct word. Now, if you don't hate anybody in your relationship, whoever you are interacting, what Maharishi says, one more thing, what help I can do to them. You see any number of people every day, you think, how can I help it? With the limited resources, whatever I have. No need to help only monetary. How can I help him? If you think always this particular statement to anyone you are seeing, you are hearing, you are talking, and you are communicating, that alone will invite the entire universe to satisfy whatever you need, whenever you need, how much you need, everything. Universe will know, the total consciousness will know, that will provide it. That is the power of that. So for that, the relationship, the social health is very, 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 very important, and that is what we learned. And particularly within the family, we have discussed 3 points. You have to respect the opinion and feeling of your partner or any family member. And the second is, you have to work towards to achieve good physical health, mental wealth, and prosperity. Without that, we can't live in this world. And that is the second point we discussed for the family thing. And is there anybody who remembers the third one, what we discussed in the last class? To achieve social health, anyone can comment on the chat box. What was the third point we learned yesterday's class, last week class? For social health, we discussed 3 things. Physical health, mental wealth, and prosperity is must. And between the partners, particularly on the family piece, we discussed, family piece. One should respect the opinion and feeling of others. So I said 2. And what was the third one, which is required, which we must follow it to achieve family peace or any relationship, to have a harmonious interaction. Anyone remembers it? Because we hear so many things which is good from great scholars like Maharishi, but it comes here and then it goes there, then a little bit change only, not much change, right? Unless I absorb it, I work on it, and then I get transformed it, then excellent. My life is progressing compared to yesterday, what I was and what I am today. Beautiful thinking. Okay, great, super, very close. Detach and attach. Excellent. Very close to the answer. Still. Some more. Anu Lakani. Super. Great. Thank you so much for coming close to that point. Any other thoughts? Think. I will give 1 minute as well. Karma. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Let me check whether what I have in my mind is right point or wrong. Yes, it is right. Okay. The third point is, to achieve social health or to achieve family peace, always there will be difference of opinion. There will be conflict, and we have to get rid of that conflict. How to get rid of that conflict? Maharishi has given as like a boiled milk. There is milk is boiling in a utensil. You can't just touch the utensil and take it out. You need cloth to hold it so that the heat doesn't transfer to your hand, and safely you are keeping it on the floor. Now, to remove that, you need 3 cloths to remove the hot utensil. Similarly, to address any difference of opinion, to address any problem, any challenges, any issues between the 2 people, you have to follow 3 steps. One is acceptance. The second one is, with the duty consciousness, you have to address the problem. And the third is, means you have to show the true love. whatever they do, whether they follow it or not, or whether their problem is getting increased or not, doesn't matter, but you show love. Love means protection and nurturing. That two aspects, right? You are always nurturing and you are always protecting. That too is very, 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 very important, and that is love. Now, three things. So the tolerant acceptance, whatever they do, you accept it. With the duty consciousness, you are addressing the problem. I think I gave an example. One guy, the wife asked him to boil a milk, and that fellow boiled the dosa batter, and the lady come and shouts at him. But if it is his uncle, she is not shouting, I think you are tense, take a rest and let me do it, like that she is doing it, right? And if my son break a glass of water, I shout. But if my brother's son and break a glass of water, I don't shout. I take care of his health, safety and other things, right? So we have that duty consciousness in our approach to a third person, but not to the family members. But if we can observe the problem as a third person, find out what is to be done to remove the conflict, and if you do it, then there is a love there, because you are not conflicting with what is happening around you, right? That is the third step you have to apply to achieve family harmony. Okay, so that is about social health. So physical health, mental wealth, and the third is social health. Now the fourth one, we are going to discuss the fourth one. Now, whatever efforts you are doing it to achieve the good physical health, mental wealth and social health, you may not succeed. You follow 200% all the things, still you may get blockage, or you may get stuck, or problems can increase as well instead of improvement. Only if you take care of the fourth step. If you don't focus some time to address the fourth step which we are going to learn, then the first three steps, whatever efforts you take to get rid of some disease, no, maybe it may go waste. It will not go waste for sure. I will not use the word may go waste. You will not see the result immediately. It will come maybe after 5 years. You are taking a tablet, even tablet will not work. The best doctor gave the tablet, proven one, but still it is not working unless the fourth step is addressed. So can anyone guess what is the fourth step? The ultimate authority to give you whatever you are aiming for. Faith. Okay, great, super. Anything else? Divine blessings. Oh, great, super. Anything else? Anything else you can guess? Whatever effort you are taking it may not yield result as you wish. Purification of genetic center.